Sanibonani AVG Reality kama umchasiseli isiminye sentombi zasemzingwane eqhubeni kwakho kwakumayabo. Hamba nensizwa la. Bengiloku ngithi ngifunda ama comments abantu bayakhala bathi bona ikakhulukazi la kwi arts or ngithi ikakhulukazi kithi nje emathebeleleni kungathi asideliver kahle ama products wethu sideliver ama products wethu ngendlela yokuthi si expecta abantu to consume ama products wethu ngenkani okuwukuthi wena uyavuka ekseni uvule itafula lakho lenhloko yengulube then you want ukuthi wonke umuntu whether ungumuslim or unguchristian or uyini adlule kuthenga ingulube just because it's you oyithengisayo or kanjani bafo onjani
siyaphila sibonge sibingelele futhi nakubabukeli bethu abe AVG News.
Udaba yilo lo lengilikhuluma ngicabanga ukuthi asingeke sihlale kakhulu ekuthini ngiloko ngithi ungubani wenzakalani ungubani wakuphi ozalwa kuphi sesike saba nawe kule ndawo abafunayo bangabuyela emuva akhona ama videos sike saxoxa sonke ngaleso sikhathi besixoxa ngenkolo yomdabu nangenkolo yobuKristu namhlanje udaba yilo lolo baba Nzila.
All right, so i-topic lena it's a bit broad but ngize categorize maybe like 3 or like 4 right. As abantu bemathebeleland sinokuthi singabantu which is we are human right, okuthi ukuthi we are also part of mankind kunye namashona kunye namatswana kunye namaZulu kunye we are part of mankind singabantu yabona before sibizwe ngegeography ukuthi because we are usemathebeleland.
Okay,
right. And then sinendaba maybe ebukhosi bomdabu sine politics izinto ezithintayo singabantu because nxa umuntu yathinteka yes sinama religion sine entertainment sinani into sinezinengi right, so ngama categories amaningi ahlukeneyo but ngizoqala lapha ebukhosini right. Abantu bemathebeleland we know very well ukuthi ubukhosi bethu was being dissolved ngesikhathi inkosi leBhongolo inyamalala and then kwaba nalento yokuthi kuthiwa buyavuselelwa of which we see abantu abaningi namhlanje sike sezwa ngenkosi yamakhalanga sezwa ngamakhosi angu3 amandebele which is uBulelani uZwide no Stanley which is still not very clear who is who and now futhi osangavuka inkosi sasa and it doesn't matter right
khona ngizokuzama
yes so ke khona lapho ke bukhosini angithi ngithengizo ama categories right already sine problem yakuqala angithi sikhulume ngendaba ekusupporta ama products ukuthi ngubani yeah so now
nezinkosi ukushuthini
yes so angithi ngifukwehla nice ifigcine so lapha bukhosini already automatically sesine problem ekhona.
Okay,
yeah i problem esesinayo ileyo ukuthi ke inkosi iyona okumele idinge abantu not the other way around. Khumbula inkosi uMzilikazi mayikhulisa ubukhosi bayo yayihamba yathumba amatswana yathumba abantu ezidingela abantu ukuzikhulisa i-territory yayo not the other way around. Abantu asabadinga inkosi but thina already emathebeleni sinenkinga yabantu abadinga inkosi yona asiyiboni asiyazi siyazi la kuma Facebook but asinjani asiyiboni
ngani nokuba khona emhlanhla
mamela
kuba khona
ubona
somewhere zonke lezi inkosi zoku3 ngicabanga ukuthi zinokuvela
bazibona okay bona angithi into le ipyramid kanje angithi isizwe sikhula siya kuphi enkosini yazanti bese kuba lento efana nabo siphala senkosi nanti right which is the administration yenkosi right. So mina as an ordinary citizen enyabe ngila whether I'm doing my own organization or I do have my own company angithi if inkosi ingayehli to my level and if ingayehli to my level to come and endorse me and identify me and I cannot run mina negama lobukhosi without being endorsed by inkosi. Ithi ngineze umzekelo, mina ngumfundisi ngiyafunda iBhayibheli. uJesu Kristu before aqala ukushumayela wathi babhathizwa kwehla izwi livele ezulwini, kwabonakala ijuba lihlala kuye lathi lo uyindodana yami. Uyabona?
So somehow God was endorsing the guy.
Yes. So automatically thina masingela nkosi phakathi kwazo zonke ezingu-3 or 4 or 100 makungela nkosi eyehla izosi-endorse, automatically igama elithi support or igama or ukuthi ufuna ukuthi umfake ebukhosini but inkosi yakho ingabuye kimi, automatically it's a no.
So izinduna ziyayehla zize kuwe zizoni-endorser ngoba because I'm sure induna yakho wena sikhuluma manje uyayi-endorser emqondweni wakho ukuthi hayi mina ngwasemzingwane umachilitshili induna yami wherever
right. Look izinduna remember zireporta enkosini. So nxa kuvele kukurongo ebukhosini lasenduneni lapho automatically sekurongo. So nje bengithi nje ngibeke nje clean indaba yobukhosi ukuthi the reason why ubukhosi bakithi buzolokhu burawunda wandawo bungacacacaca ukuthi kwenzakala nani, it's because of ukuthi inkosi la yehle ebantwini to come and endorse abantu abama committee leaders nani to an extent ukuthi kuba nzima ukuthi mina nami ngithi angizidosela nzima eGoland kusasa beqhamuka sithi udinga into enje for i-administration yobukhosi but kodwa mina wangikhona inkosi kana ngayibona, it doesn't work like that. uNkulunkulu kube kayento sanga uJesu sama umepho engagcina esebona ngezinye indlela angithi. So ke because remember Sathana wavela lapha wafika kanjani naye wamlingana. So uyabona wayele choice ukuthi angakhetha ukuthi alandele bani. So ngizama ukuthi ngibonise ukuthi ke kumele kulungiswe khona baqala nxa vele abantu befuna ukuthi bakhule.
Don't you think ukuthi it goes back to the same question yokuthi when you are selling a product wrong, don't you think ukuthi nina you are busy selling wrong courses to people?
Yes. Ikike ngocho uthona angithi
so you will say abantu they are not accepting but abantu are saying but now we said we need pork bra when we are coming here with beef.
So like I've said i-attribute yobukhosi, that is why nginikeze example ngomzilikazi ne umuntu owayehamba afika ahlanganisa izizwa ayehle abuye abantwini baqoqa ngithi not thina ukuthi thina sisifuna ukuzifoster, yabona. Then uyaqhamuka phe administration yobukhosi sithi yona hayi kufuneka lokho for ubukhosi buphi. We understand?
Because bonke lobo bushiwe boyi-3 kune right yokuvuka kuseni kusidonate izimali because they are kings.
Yes. Okay. So ke khona phela futhi khona phela into engahambi kahle khona phela. That is why kungeke kuze kukhulu kuzohlala nje kulabantu nje abalutshwane ubi egqwenye umqhenye begijima legama but the rest abanye kuzoba nzima ukuthi kanjani ba-recognize ubukhosi bakibo because like bafile ngathi basetshenziswa abantu, uyabona. That's how people they feel. Yabona. And some they come to us, they tell us hayi nxa into leyisebenzile basetshenziswa, yabona.
Some do you think iyasebenza
indaba yobukhosi? The day ubukhosi buzoyehla bu-endorse abantu buphile abantu kuzosebenza, but for now ake sime nje ngayo ngoba manje.
Move on
right.
To the second one.
Then sesibuya to i-community level. Ngizogcina ama-artist.
Okay, yeah.
Right. Ku-community sinabantu abazibekileyo ukuba ngama-community leaders or whatever group leaders whatsoever, especially ngoba these days kunama-social media ayenza umhlaba ube yi-small village angithi sesikhona ukwazana, you understand?
Yeah.
Right. So now bese kusiba lo muntu maybe ungaqala mhlambe group admin. Yebo.
Like some Facebook admin.
Yeah, for example, when I call nje group admin and then ayazi ube keep abantu ube file umthetho lapha group ngithi. And then that thing grows. Yabona. And then they start trying to think and to find izinto ezingabakhulisa to promote themselves.
Okay.
Angithi. And then this is why the problem ke yokuthi ke labo bantu labo they do not have a proper standard as to who they are, what do they present, or they don't even themselves, they are confused, they don't know their role in their sphere of influence. Umuntu abekhethela ukuthi abekhipha abantu egroup nani seqasa ukukhula umuntu aseqasa ukuthi hayi manje sokusenza ukuthi seqasa nama projects wakhe apromote yena, yabona. Then abantu they are just like confused la sekulandela then that person cross but yabe ngena i-content yabe ngelanto okuthiwa injani i-presenta yena umuntu lona yabona and if ungabunanzelele yabona uzoyitha 65 years usegoli lokhu ubhizilandala abantwana labo bawuthathe bakusezuleke bakusekuphi lokhipha izimali yabona nxa ungasayenzanga so wrong yabona yona usulihlamuka awusengiye umuntu wakithi yabona usuyishona apologist usuyini yabona usuphumile in that set yabona just because you are thinking differently. You understand? So babe khona laba then they are very poisonous because bona somehow babe benjani be benefit yabona because out of konokhani abezenza zana babe one babekhulisa amagama 2 they get go verify go Google because well abaningi and the stuff then they start earning and bakhona lokudla from those little donations and whatever that we be doing yabona so we have to be very very sensitive of that yabona it is good to live together it is good also to have leaders but the leaders should have a substance so who are they leading what are the audience what do they really present yabona you don't just
so
follow
you are saying with mina let's say yimi ukwaza ngivulela phaya igroup yami Mthwakazi Maskandi followers abantu bayangena lapha ngibaxoxela ngomaskandi every day then all of a sudden sengithi hayi niyabona la egroup la sokumele sishine imali sithenga ibhasi
yes we understand then automatically those people angithi lento
bona bangene ngekatari then
kulento okuthiwa khona imob psychology then they
bangithanda
yeah then hoop uyabona then sesikuthengela ibhasi uyabona ngabe isikhathi esimanga uhamba yabona sinini sesikwakhela indlu mina but ngikhaya ngayakhaya sinini sesikwenza you understand so we have to be very very vigilant of how we do things le mizi one day izochitheka mark my words umfazi wami uzoke landelana logwazi lana logwazi one day ngizoyibona into leyo ngithi athona okay sinini selisiya kuphi selisiya kuchisa inyama kuphi nise hey awukho wrong kana ukuthi sikusinyana but we need to be very very sensible on that then sesibuya ku politics
yawoza
asiya ku politics and sikhulume ngobukhosi sakhuluma ngama communities sikhuluma ngepolitics right i-politics is ngenye futhi i-poison kwamthwakazi enkulu kakhulu kwamthwakazi kule dictatorship embi kakhulu abantu ama-parties asemathebeleleni maningi they're mushrooming maybe there are 1,000 parties political parties
yeah.
But then we have got those parties which are very very much vocal those parties for example MRP yeah one MRP once when okay like they believe ukuthi everyone by default of geography must belong to MRP which is wrong
okay yeah
one
yeah
because it becomes an absolute so ngathi i-monarchy a real monarchy yabona ukuthi by default nxa waseswatini then ufola under umswati yabona i-wrong into naleyo angimela ngidume kanjalo people must be given i-right yokuthi bacabange ngendlela yabo and ungathi wena uyabonisa uyacriticize ngendlela e-constructive yabona it's either suthukwa ngumama uthukwa ngubaba yabona so usuyishona apologies this and that yabona and it is wrong people are feeding us wrong politics yabona but somehow it also defines indlela abantu abakhuliswa ngayo phakathi amakhicha afana wonke ukuthuka vele ngibo ukuthi bavele besidlala but then kufanele sikubheke khona kya futhi ukuthi people that are selling us because in politics you must convince me ukuthi go vote
the battle of ideas
yeah i-politics fana lokho nxa sashela umfazi awufika usithi wena unganqomanga uqeda umkhiphela imese no fanele ungincenge yawuqoye kahle udindithindi lawo uyabona like uyabona and then give me a substance ukuthi nxa ngivotela ngitholana yabona but ama-parties akithi amandebeleni they've got nothing to offer yabona ungaphuma nxa abantu it is the nature of people abantu they go out like inkomo zilandela amadlela aluhlaza yabona bengabona ukuthi laphana basizakala people they go there automatically and you cannot control that it's just like controlling it's like trying to control immigration. You can't control migration. People migrate anyway. You jumping. You understand? So that's the same thing. So people, they must understand that we cannot be busy forcing people into now political party. It doesn't work like that.
It goes back to abantu umuntu uyahlala phansi yedwa, then he decide to manufacture a certain product.
Yes.
And after manufacturing this product, uyayiletha etafuleni. Then you want everyone to buy that product, not to criticize that product, anga comment anything about that product.
And now, if I don't buy that product, I'm a Shona. So what's wrong with being a Shona?
Okay.
What's wrong? Because remember, at the end, because at the end we're all human. So long as I'm a Shona, I'm a vendor, I'm a Changani, I'm a Zulu, it's still okay. Hey, so when I keep a product and I'm a Shona, it's okay.
Shona not buy.
Do you understand? So as if there is something wrong.
But
with
what drives us, which is situation, is it we don't have enough customers to buy our products that we produce, or as was producer, then we just produce it as inferior, then we want to throttle them down to people? Or what do you think it sends us to see abantu abaso? Okay, I'm coming to that. I'm going to answer that. Now let me try to broaden up first this one. Right. Abantu bakithi siNdebele sinenkinga eyi-one. We think umhlaba it's like a coin. We think umhlaba it's black and white. Head and tail.
Yabona. Like ungakhuluma ngomuntu omnyama so fanele ubheke umlungu uthi abona belungu ba. You understand? Yabona. So now it now implies as if China they don't exist, India they don't exist. It's only Europe versus Africa. Now ungakhuluma ngamaNdebele so now so fanele sibheke amaShona as if umhlaba it's about Shona and Ndebele. Ungakhuluma ngeZimbabwe sifana ubheke South Africa as if South Africa is the opposite of Zimbabwe. You can talk about Zimbabwe without talking about South Africa. You can talk about Ndebele without talking about Shona. You can talk about Black African without talking about Europeans. But I want to get because most of them have got this type of.
You can talk about CC without talking about Zani.
But now because most of our antibiotics they've got this small mind, this brain, a snap. You can't convince them to understand that thing. And the more you are trying to force me into a product, the more ngubaleke. That's what people they don't understand.
The more ngalo scrutinize the product level which koshwa ngenkani.
Yes. And that's what
we check as no man.
That's what they don't understand. Ukuthi bazixoshela abantu. Kumanje abo eMRP manje badonsa how many years? 20 years, 10 years, I don't know. But there's someone at some point doesn't get ngiyacabanga. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mina i-agenda leyo yokuqumilizwe kusho ukuthi vela yikho.
Okay.
Yazini? Mina I think vele i-agenda yakhona ne iyona leyo ekhona njengamanje and they've achieved it.
Bodwa ndawonye nje into Themba.
Yes. Into leyana ne mina ngokubona kwami ne omunye umuntu angayibona nje but ngokubona kwami ne mina ngibona ngani khona lokho okuyikho njengamanje ne ngibona ngani vele kube khona.
Akumelanga kwehle, akumelanga kukhuphuka.
Akumelanga vele iziqhubhe.
Ngazama ukuthi usukhuphuka sudlula ngapha suzaqhuma yaboshwa.
Uyazi why? Kungenze ukuthi ukhona umuntu abantu or umuntu oyabenefita ngayena le situation esinayo manje. And for example, let's say mhlambi emalaphi mhlambi abantu onga100,000 abakhipha ama 20 rand ngenyanga ukhadi ne. And for example, ne. Do you know how much is that? It's 2 million rand. Yeah man. Yabo? So uthola ukuthi khona kyana nje ukuba ngakhona ke sithuka senzakala khona kyana indlela ukuthi kutholakala i2 million every month nomunye umuntu ephila impilo enhle. Yabona esazi kahle ukuthi vela kulezo ezoqonywa esazi ukuthi vela into ezenzakalani so yena phela zilonga uthola i2 million years and years khathi sihamba in his lifetime biliqhubeka. Yabona kungenzeka ukuthi that's the reason why kusenzala kanje. Wena ukhala ukuthi uyathuka kanye into la vele it is working for their good. Yabona so ke yenye into because umuntu because umuntu le agenda ofuna ukuthi apush into yakhe azafika reach goal umilizwana angeke azathuke abantu afuna uqhuma labelizwe uyabaconvince kahle then bavumelana beqhuma but ungabona bathuka that means you do not want them to advance otherwise you wena isinkwa sinonyaka sizosuka etafuleni
ama artist
right sinama artist particularly as like abantu abaku art then sinama managers wama artist but bonke wama artists sure njalo
yeah people are around the art industry
mfowethu music ufana nokudla yes wena mawuthanda ibeans nathanda ifish kuye esiswini sami music it's diet igama elithi diet lithi ukuthi izinto esizibonayo esizifida amehlo wethu esizifida indlebe zethu esizifida isisethu esizifida in amakhala wethu ne that's diet anything esisiconsumayo it becomes our diet we consume music baba angithi and akufostwana lapho ukuthi khona lapha ekhaya kudliwa ibeans la no ayidumi kanjalo yabona mina ngambuza what is my favorite artist uJapreza that's my favorite artist that's me yeah kunga uJapreza lana then when we organize a gig of anyone ongasiJapreza ne I would prefer to go to Japreza that's my preference and amela ngigwadela yabona because naso ngigwadela ayasonjwayela kabi ngemali yami nangesikhathi sami yabona ngisukele ekhaya and ngithi nginenkinga zami ngilempilo yami for the life yabona who are you to control me to detect what music should I listen to ngekani it's wrong ngemali yami ngesikhathi sami so ngiyahlala ko parking bore ngiyangezwe ukuthi uculani hlale kuphela
what is ukusupporta iartist
no vele
what is it mfuna ukuthi ngibe clear khona ukuthi ma abantu siphuma lapha siya ku Facebook sithi sicela isupport for this artist kahle sisuke sicelana kahle ukuthi abantu must buy umculo wala yamuntu bengawufuni or I just want to understand around that notion yokucela support
yes ukuthi support ne mawuthi support ne uthi ukuthi kufanele ukuthi mina ngikuthengele bangakufuni into yawuzama ukuyitsho cause umculo awumela ngithengiswe njalo just like any other service or product remember i-band is a company
it's a company
so i-company produce music kanti right so mina ngile choice yokuthi ngiyethenga i-Delight cooking oil or ngiyethenga i-Excel you understand but bonke ba producer i-cooking oil yabona so when mawuthi no anchi Excel ngiyethenga i-Delight but mina ngingafuni fanele ungiconvince ukuthi why should I buy Excel but now because thina siyit ne kufanele ukuthi ngenkani yabona ngiyathenga phela Delight angisathengi ngoba wena unikeza ama nutritional benefits awe Delight but ngoba wena ngoba wenza ukhandwe nguwe if not so fanele ukuthi ngibe lishona as if walishona inhlamba ngoba lishona it's actually a good thing because it's just a language ukuthi shona me it's just a language but just so there's nothing wrong with that you understand so sinenkinga enkulu kakhulu yabantu abafuna ukuproduce music wabo bafuna ukulalele ngenkani mina I've got a sister engithanda kakhulu uMazilankatha
okay yeah
yambona ngicula igospel yakhe uMazilankatha akadlala uFacebook akathinithi uMazilankatha besimbona lapha eHillbrow lapha esidonsela ispeaker sakhe ezidlala yakhe wena ngawungezwe
umnandi yamisa
sisi imali nema CD federal papa awunge CD la lengoma phendle then enjoy
then akasho ukuthi
angiyokuzwa uMazilankatha hamba kuma Facebook ngeke ngiyokuzibona njalo yabona wazipushela music
wakhe ungabheka futhi online umculo wakhe is
downloaded like nobody's business but angiyokuzwe thuka umuntu ebiza umuntu ngeshona ebiza umuntu ngani uyabona uzithengisela music wakhe ngaleyo ndlela ngaleso sikhathi waphumelela lapho manje she's driving a car
yabona yes she's successful and ungabheka even ku YouTube some of ingoma zakhe is
are doing wonders
100 and something thousand views
you understand so why can't we build a type of an environment evumela abantu sikhona ukuthi senze izinto hayi ngenkani but ngokuzwisisana ngothando why can't we sell ngothando and buy in love yabona but thina singabantu labana abafuna izinto ngani ngenkani yabona and abantu abasenkingeni kakhulu abama victims do you know ngoba yithi esingacweliyo esingenzi lutho because thina senze thina yitho fanele sibomba phela imali namhlanje ubani le show mhla ka3 kufanele ngiye khona ngayo mhla ka7 kufanele ngiye khona ngayo mhla ka13 kufanele ngiye khona mhla ka20 kufanele ngiye khona ngayo mina ngisebenzele security engumuntu nje ordinary person yimo fanele ngibe njani ngikhipha leyo mali because yimi emphiwa lawo magama bona ba right ba artists khona ngayo abantu aba wrong way yithi ngokungakhiphi izimali sibanikeze yabona ithina is wrong yabona ngokungayenzi leyo nto leyo like as if thina emhlabeni sazela ukuzonikeza abantu imali as if thina sazela ukuzomamela music which is wrong emhlabeni we've got a lot of things to do if I want your song wena thengisa music wakho faka music wakho ku YouTube organize ama event uthengisa ama ticket and then mina bangezo music emnandi ngizodownload
ngingezwe ngabona iposter ukuthi kune show awukhaya
is that even difficult ayikho nzima into lene uyathengisa music wakho donsa speaker sakho mina kuphela ngizwe music wakho udla lapha speaker nani mina ngizosendela kanjani ngithenga yabona it is very simple
but how did you arrive there ukuthi kube nzima so sigcine forstana ukuthi abantu beconsume izinto ngenkani
no singabantu abanjalo vele sidla ngodlila yakhe nje se-abuse senyathela and asikunanzi by so doing sinyathana ngamandla siyalimaza yabona siyalimaza bese yabona into ekhuluma la le comparison bese sibuya ngathi sithi khona amashona banathi bana baphusha ngeke uzwe amashona wena sokubona uJapreza ebhize thuka abantu uthi bamsupport uJapreza uphusha music wakhe
yakingalithanda
no uphusha music wakhe and music ne awumelanga uthandise ukuthi into yakithi no
that's true
yabona kufana nokudla mina lozo sikhulumela ngingumzili mina my favorite food it's calamari it's seafood
hayi kumele kube ngamacimba nje abantu manje
you understand yabona there is no
kumele kube ngamacimbi
no you understand yabona and there is no sea eFlabos there is no ocean eFlabos yabona so but if I want to taste my favorite food ngiya eCape Town Fish Market yabona or Ocean Basket ne ngifike ngorder icalamari lama prawns and enjoy that's my favorite food yabona you can't tell me ukuthi why uzofuna ukudla waselwandle khona ngayilwandle why you must enjoy delele yabona you can post idelele lomkhanqa ku Facebook yabona mina can scroll ngidlula yani why I don't enjoy it that's me kuya kimi that's my diet why if I consume into ngoba wena ithanda wena iconsume mina why fanele kube njalo yazi ne asiyekeni uabusana especially social media that's abuse yabona uyangiabuse like ungenza ngifeel guilty ukuthi wayengathenga into yakho angiyizwa it doesn't test yabona isound yayo angiyizwa yabona I'm not saying I'm not doing great job you're doing great job it's nice yabona I wish you well yabona but that doesn't imply ukuthi like nyawo no angu yabona keep on doing well yabona mzwana urelease ingoma engithanda I'm going to download it angithi file lapha ku Spotify I'm going to download it then ungama royalties kuyangena it's okay yabona ukuthi asafana gqoka iskipa sakho gqoka ikepe yakho vele ngibona ke I don't like that yabona ngithanda usigqokela mina uzampahla ezingekho branded angifuni ugqoka ngomunye umuntu gqoka wena ngithi ngoziphindise gqoka ijacket yakho yabona
kumele ungiphushise
no gqoka ijacket yakho ne mina ngayibona inhle ne ngizo njani mafethu tela buy it yabona gqoka ijacket yakho and sell it with love yabona so I think in conclusion I would say abantu I think maybe they need to fundiswe how to convince people how to sell their products with love ebantwini and stop into abuse because nxa abuse ne ungenza withdraw from ngiyabaleka ayekho umuntu sinale instinct develop ukuprotect ngabantu so ayekho umuntu ofuna ukwenza izinto ngenkani even umfazi angeke uyakhela umuzi ngomforce ukuthi uyasiyahlala enkani ngeke uyabaleka uyafika eqopha into zakhe abalimi so kufanele kube ngani out of love ngokuzwisisana yiyo isecret ekhona kubona la abantu sizicompare nabo
Ngicabanga ukuthi abantu enihleli lapha emakhaya nilalela insizwa engumzila. Mangabe mhlawumbe une question uzoyifaka ngaphansi sizophinda sibuye simbize. Ngiyazi ukuthi uzohlokoza ezinye izinto abantu abanye bangamuzwa kahle ngoba isikhathi esiningi vele siyayilalela into sibaningi kodwa sizwe ngendlela ehlukene yani.
Thank you.
Mina manga njalo. Yes. Singakabaleki Mzila uthinte idaba lobukhosi wathinta udaba lwama community leaders sathinta nodaba lwama artists ne politics yini into ongayishiya ebantwini kuwo lama category of4 sesihamba ukuthi
alright
ungathini nje ku
ake ngiqale lana endlini yobukhosi or whosoever recognizes ubukhosi ba komthwakazi, right, without defining ukuthi iphi inkosi, as long as kule gama lobukhosi phakathi, right, whoever ngifuna ukuthi mina you are doing well, angina problem nomuntu mayizizamela whatever kufunayo, but into engeke mina ngivumelane nayo ngiyokuthi ngibe nenkosi efuna imali yimi. Uyabona mina ngingayazi. That is why ngiyezi example lana ekaJesu ukuthi uJesu waqhawa indoswa nguyise wasephuma phambili ngegama likaYise. So inkosi ayiyehli kubantwini indosi. This is a contract. I'm just constructing you. I'm just helping you.
Ngingene emlonyeni. Ubani konje induna yakho? Ugodla, umafa.
Yes.
So do you think ukuthi don't you think ukuthi kungaba lula ukuthi nina abantu baseyinsiza makungafika umafu azokuthi mhlawumbe uhamba nenkosi uStand ohamba nenkosi uBulelani ohamba nenkosi uZwide afika athi Godlwa yomnyama ninalela chila insimbi ngomlenze nansi inkosi. Do you think ukuthi abantu bakoGodlwa bengayiphika inkosi?
Ngeke bayiphike kodwa automatically it still has to be from like a pyramid, like I've said. Inkosi iyehle uma ngayehla ngama stages njengoba sitho ibuye enduneni yehle, it can be better that way, but without a proper lokunjanini kuzoba nzima. That's number one. Then ku politics bakithi
ngoba phela singakadluli kwenzela ukuthi ezinye izinto zicace, kwenzela ukuthi noma abantu bezofaka imibuzo nani kube clear bengathi ukuthi wena bewuzo attack ubukhosi ubufaka iopinion yakho. Kunabantu abaningi othi nje mawumtshela ukuthi hayi ndoda kunobukhosi kuyadingeka into ezithile kunesiphala senkosi, then umuntu akutshela ukuthi eyami induna ayikaze isitshela into efana nale. Athi mina ngiyakhuluma nenduna ngefona ngaze ngizwe nangelodi langa isithi there is a king or
sengiyalizwa lokho
yabona. So
kwela side sengiyalizwa
yabona. So yibo engikusho ukuthi ngivumelana nawe ukuthi mhlawumbe kwezinye izinto khona la esingehli khona kahle.
Yes. So that pyramid
kubo bonke
kufanele inkosi bebathathe izinduneni kuzofika kuphi ngisi general kubani kanjalo kuyazwakala. Susazi la uthi hayi ngasenza so it athi lama programs year plan calendar yobukhosi, and how does that benefit the community etc. Kubalulekile ukwazi khona ukuyana ukuthi mina as an individual how do I benefit from ubukhosi bakhe. It's very important.
Yes. Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi bayazwisisa abantu abalandela of course nami ngomunye wakhona, kodwa namhlanje angikho position yokuthi ngisho ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ngubani oyinkosi kumbe ubani ohlele esihlalweni ngokusemthethweni. So
then ke sesibuya ke ku politics. Igama engizofuna ukuchiya ku politics amanye political parties ngiyabona abo what do you call this one le yabo ekababukade
to a revelation church.
No. I can't remember it.
Anyways, if freedom something, and you have something over something.
Yeah. So, you know,
yeah.
So we have got those parties like MLF or blah blah blah. We have got so many parties, but mina, we are one nine when MRP we are with Namandla sometime ne. And guess what? I was also sold to MRP at first.
I was very remember.
Yes. But at some point, ngananzela ukuthi mhlambe lapha nenkangala yabona then ke ngananzela ukuthi abantu abaningi kakhulu bayaphuma ungangathi lo munye umbono ongathi anti ubusela lo so bantu be-MRP
wabalekela inhlamba
yes abasela inhlamba so bantu be-MRP bafowethu whatever likwenzayo kuhle futhi sakuthanda ma as long as lithina lelilwela thina angithi thina phela sifuna phela umuntu onjani othi khona ulwela thina which is very good but
silamandla phela silo
but yekelani ukuthi yekelani thina njani leqabane nathi sibeza amagama yabona that way you want to grow unless vele agenda njengoba ngeke ngathi ngathi kungenza ukuthi vele iyona le khona kokuyikho vele you've achieved it unless vele that's the hidden agenda but ngabe le agenda edlula leyo be organized in terms of how you address people, how you approach abantu. It's very important.
Last message to the community leaders or to the so-called community leaders. Okay?
Yes.
Because
so to the so-called community leaders whatsoever, please bantu bakithi we are happy to have you as leaders. Angithi siyakuthanda ukuphathwa but on the other hand lingasibambi ngamandla and futhi lisicabangele la yabona whenever come with a project whatsoever ne akungabi ukuthi mangasayenza mase face ngane
yabona isolate
or whatsoever sometimes angenzi ngoba nginamali ke
I believed in the idea.
Yes, it also happened. And mangela ma doesn't mean to say ngoba ngithola imali yokuya epakini ngithola imali yokupana then saying wrong. Time waste la good. But we're happy if you are doing it for but alingabheka umuntu e-once focus emntwini e-one kanti eside kube labanye lathi nje silezi inkinga. Angithi akube ne balance yabona asingathi si support a project A1 yabona and then as if
like
there is specifically a certain person, individual or people who finally vele kube njalo ngabo. No, all of us I believe we are more than 3 million abantu asesitimathile lapha eJohannesburg yabona baningi abanye bahlala emapakini abanye silezi inkinga eziningi ezidinga ama counseling abanye siphila sihamba so khona la libangasahlala ngempakini but lezi inkinga ezinye serious nobody would ever try to come and listen to my story because mina phela kufanele making kuba phela 100 rand yabona so ungakathothi mina ngiphila kanjani so just get it.
But anyway akhona ama community leaders asebenza ngokuyikhandla engicabanga ukuthi abantu bagcina sesizwe ubuhlungu lapha bethi umzila was busy attacking whoever ozama ukuncedisa abantu but ukubeke kwacaca ukuthi akungabi yilokho sokugcina kuhlukumeza abantu engicabanga ukuthi bakhona abasiza abantu impela ngeqiniso othola ukuthi
and we really appreciate that however we abaqhubeke but let us be broad yabona kungabi ukuthi kube khona ohlale sizwa nohlale siza yabona no because we all have problems yabona kufanele ndawo ungasizwa ubani wena tend to me and ask him ukuthi nang right him is very important yabona mina ngabhekelwa on the other side ukuthi mina ngenjani wena ungahlale uku receiving end always yeah then the last one yama artist ne igama elithi support is biased emathebeleleni. Okay, because makhona ngesupport kusuka kuphela kubhekela ama-artist I support ama-artist wakhe it's wrong. Igama elithi support kumele lisetshenziswe abazalini support umzali wakho that's number 1 ikhaphela ingena khona igama elithi support umuntu vele ongeke expect anything in return but ama-companies umuntu okuculayo just because wena uyacula ne mina ke ngirani i-funeral parlor because ukucula kwakho it's a company i-company yakho yabona
kumele produce
angithi i-company ukucula mina ukurani phala yini i-company so mina nawe siku same level but why wesikhumeza ngesupport kulengela nganqanye simabhayas ukukhulunywa phezukwane kwama-artist kuphela why singakhulumi ngokusupport amaphala why singakhulumi ngokusupport iziphasi why singasupport
ngokuthi sife
no angazi ngokujoyina but there should be always a way, a category at which how do we support them. Angithi kufanele kube indlela kungakhulunywa ngesupport because ngakhona support ubheke ngakhona support eligama elilandelayo ngelithi ama-artists automatically yabona why everybody needs support everybody
abosisi bathengisa impida laphayana
exactly yabona benza amazipho benza ingqwele anti abanye babheka and stuff ne igama support mali ngalimithwa mali ngafocus kuma-artist kuphela just because wenza poetry uyacula ushaya ngo deserve support. So mina ngenza okunye okungasikholokho mina mengu OI fanele ngonikeza imali ayidumi kanjalo yabona ngasikhuluma support anini akube lama categories and I guess asiqhubeke support ama artists but supporting laba maphala supporting labantu amasiko kufanane kungakhulunyelwa into umuntu ne1 always as if saba or chafane sibe one dress balandela lapha le ngoma zakho la nxa ungazizwa fanele support ayisebenzi kanjalo asenze into right kulabantu abacula kakhulu ingoma ezimnandi kakhulu we love them let us keep on entertaining us and do the best you can do and please sell in love lingas forced litshele ama manager wena angas forced
khona ama manager forced abantu
yes kakhulu
how
supportana ubani yabona uthothi la leyo bana khona ngithula kasakhuluma manager ube producer ngiyabe njani hlaki yokhuluma it is very wrong yabona kathi vele umsebenzi oka manager mwani ukho artist yabona cause lana artist ayingi linazela ama manager agcina senjani esilibayela umculo we because wena ngole talent ukhumbula it's your calling yabona ungathola umuntu ongakwazi ukumanager
ongakwazi futhi ukukhuluma nabantu
etsho ethuka abantu phandle la yabona eba forced benzani ugcine cause thina
bangele iartist isidina
ilokuzeni yakho ugcine sinjani igama lakho so you need to be very very careful on who you choose to work with.
Cabanga ukuthi niyezwa abakithi nihlela lapha emakhaya bizomcasela isiminyaminya sentombi zasemzingwane exhobeni kwakho kwakumaya ngiyathanda kakhulu indlela umzila abantu bayazi ukuthi mina ngiyakuthanda ukukhuluma kakhulu sengajwayela ukuphatha imic namhlanje bengikhethe ukuthi ngilalele kakhulu because abafundisi most of the time bathanda ukuthi bafundise kube yibo abalalela imzila ngifuna ukuthi ngingakadluli khona engicabanga ukuthi abantu ocabanga ukuthi they are doing izinto right esingeke ngikuvimbe ukuthi ubabonge ubancome wena ku position okuyo you believe ukuthi kula muntu lenza lutho khona omunye umculi lawo wamaskani bathi ushunikazi ngathi mangithi mina bathi ushuniye ngwane ngathi mangithi ukhona umculi wakithi oku inspire wathi
inkinga yakuthi so sesi abuse kakhulu sesihlukunyezwe kakhulu to such an extent ukuthi lento enhle singasayiboni yabona kufa lo muntu angaphekwa kakhulu inhliziyo ngumfazi ukugcina la nxa secabanga ukuthatha singasanje sokusiba nzima yabona so they are there we really appreciate you whatsoever it is but I cannot now identify because really sense ngunanzelele abantu they are now doing izinto out of wezama ufuna ukubonwa that visibility that ambition ofuna ukubonakala yabona and also to make money obviously through other fake philanthropic works there's a lot of falsehoods that are happening yabona and sesilimale kakhulu yabona ngokunanzelela and le mizi izochitheka isikhathi esiningi ngoba abantu basebenza izinto eziningi so everyone usengusiyazi everyone can give you a counsel yabona everybody is saying counselor everybody saying just nje sokuningi kakhulu so we cannot identify ukuthi who is a professional
abantu bafunda online Alison is giving people certificates abantu that are getting certificates online
abantu should refrain from sending out their story and expecting ukuthi solve social media because people they respond based on their feelings and their emotions and this is one of those the biggest problems but ngoba vela sanga ngayo namhlanje but into engifuna ukuthi ukuthi there is a whole lot of falsehoods yabona iqiniso selize lincane kakhulu ukuthi you cannot necessarily point out and say this is the reality yabona because most of these things zenzakala azila futhi even accountability you can't even tell ukuthi okay njengoba lapha uGwaza wathi yena simthengele ingwane angithi sachaya i300,000 yayikhona ingwane sometimes but why you have 300,000 yayizo indaba ekhona so ngizama nje ukubonisa ukuthi i-accountability nanjani
ngeke ngitsho
unjani ibalulekile so all those things so we really appreciate those who are doing well nami nginje sengeke ngasizwa kakhulu abantu abaningi kakhulu I don't lie baningi khona seke wangisiza I remember ngisarenta lapha renting akathola umuzi bengisahlala kaphe eJozi beke ngixaye ngempela ngerent. I one or two people abake bangisiza ngempela ngale rent. Yabona. And but since I ngisiza bengafuna ukuvela, so I won't even say. But wherever you are, if you're watching this, I really appreciate you. But ngoba ngiyazi baningi abantu basizanayo, but it is also important ukuthi kungabi ngani ngokwenkani. Nobody owes me. Lo ngahlala estaradeni, ayifile ngasukela ngathi ekhaya. Ayekho umuntu owangilethe egoli. Yabona. Angeke ngiblame umuntu ngokuthi ngihlala estaradeni. Yabona. Ngoba kule muntu wangiletha kuphi egoli. Ngaze kuyele egoli. Ngagoli sila ngihlala ngahlala estaradeni. It is my problem. I must hand over myself to the police bangisekhaya. Yabona.
Siyabonga kakhulu bakumzela ngikuze uthinta ukuthi you are also a businessman. I know ukuthi kune funeral parlor that you're working with. Ngikunikeza isikhathi 1 minute to sell yourself.
Okay, so ngingu-Loving Arms Funeral Care. Sinama services wethu angu-2 esiwenza, sinama policies sibe futhi singcwabe. Njengamanje sirana promotion which is ending just now ngo-July. Guess what? Ujoyina manje ufike kusahlese kungcwabe khonapho, which means that's la promotion period for people who are joining particularly up to end of July. Hence sine free joining fee from 90 rand kuphela uzithola masingcwabisana wakho. Sitholakala ku number 112 Carrick Street, office suite 612. Nyabonga.
Joining fee uthe imali promotion.
Promotion yethu
enda ngo-July.
I joining fee. You just ungathenga policy yakho, then up to end of July for those people abala promotion period, abala waiting period. So nxa ufuna ukukhuza manje ujoyina manje ufike kusasa, you can quiet as long as
Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu laphayana ubaba uMzila inkampani yakhe. Sicela ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abahlele emakhaya lapha mawuyitsotsi ethi ngicabanga ukuthi izibulale kusasa usale usinikeza inkinga mfowethu. Nayi isolution engcono uyakwazi ukuya ku Loving Arms ne.
Yes,
uyawazi uya ku Loving Arms Funeral ufike ujoine namhlanje ufe kusasa bakungcwaba ungabhadalanga lutho no joining fee. Bafowethu kusiyafika 30 June manje, kusiyafika 31 July manje ngicabanga ukuthi kusela bo 10 days. Une 10 days yokuplana ideath yakho ngendlela eyisweet. Siyanthanda kakhulu emakhaya.